Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also, you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, welcome again to this new PLC tutorial session. In this session we will cover some advanced instructions. So let's start. These are the instructions that we will cover. This is the L for latch and this U stands for unlatch. Okay, so this is the latch instruction and this is unlatch instruction. If you can see over here, output latch, output unlatch. So next is how we use these instructions in programming. So before that, I just want to explain one thing. In previous programming we have done some latching part. Okay, so how we were doing that is like we will take an input and take a stop button, okay, and output. So I will take a parallel so suppose this is the start button, so I'm naming it as start, and this is the stop button. So let's write stop, okay, and this is the output. So this is output, and we have to copy this same output over here so that this latch works. Okay, this is the logic, this is the how we do the latching. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when you press this input, you can see output gets on. If you release that, this input means this is a push button. If you press and release, still output is on. Okay, and to stop this we use this stop push button, correct? So behind this logic is that if you press this input, the supply passes directly to the output, as this addressing of this output and this output is same. So what happens is this output again gets on, already gets on. See, this on gets on, so automatically this output gets on. Okay, if you stop this, so the supply is passing from this way. Okay, so this gets latch, this get hold, output get holds. Okay, so when you press this input, you are breaking the supply. When you break this supply, this output cannot get on immediately automatically because it needs some supply. So that is given by this start push button. So totally I want to say that this is the logic that we were using previously for the latching and unlatching. So now you can do this way or you can use instruction. This software is giving some instructions to do this program. So this is you can do by this instruction. This is latch and this is unlatch. So either you do this way or you can do this way. Okay, so here you have to write a input. I'm taking a different input right now. So this is suppose a start. Okay, this is start and this, okay, start 2. Okay, and here I have to write a output addressing. This is output. Okay, so now I have to use another stop push button. This is stop 2. and here you have to write the same addressing of this output because you are unlatching the same output. Only in latching and unlatching you can use the same addressing and output, otherwise you cannot use the two outputs same address in your program. Okay, so I have done the above program in this way, so you can do the either way what you like to do. So let's download it. Okay, so you can see if I press this, output gets on. If I release this output, still there is no supply, still output is on. So this is the instruction that holds out this output. Okay, now if you press this stop button, this will stop the supply and output gets off. So these are the two ways to do latching and unlatching. This is the instruction that is given in the PLC. This is the logic that we have made. So you can do in either way what you like. Okay, so these are the two instructions, latching and unlatching. So I hope you got it. Now the second thing is, see, in bit there is latch, unlatch, and the third thing is OSR, one shot rising. Okay, so I will explain you OSR. What is OSR? OSR stands for one shot rise. Okay, this is one shot rise. So how to use it, let's see. I'll take input, okay, and I'll take an OSR and then output. Okay, so an input, and then OSR, you have to write addressing of binary bit over here, and this is the output. Okay, let's download it and see how it works, and I will explain what is OSR. See, if I press this, this is one short rise. This will pass only a single pulse. You can see, you can just concentrate on this output. This output, you will see the pulse. When I press this input, you will get a pulse for very small time. It will be fraction of seconds. See, so this is OSR. So what is basically the OSR? Why we are using this OSR? OSR is basically a one shot rise. This is a rising pulse. If you see a wave, if you see a pulse is having a positive half and a negative half, correct? So this is a pulse. Okay, so this is having its positive half and this is its negative half. Okay, so when we use a OSR, suppose this is a OSR over here, this is O S and R. Okay, when you pass this pulse from OSR, it will only pass a single positive pulse. Okay, suppose there are number of pulses that are coming. Okay, so I've just made a single pulse. Let's make some more pulses. Okay, suppose there are a number of pulses that are coming. When you pass through OSR, it will only pass a positive half of single pulse, of a single pulse, not all pulses. It will just pass a positive half of the pulse. So we can say that is the pulse is coming for very few fraction of seconds. Okay, so one more thing we can see is that the pulse will pass in OSR will pass when you press the button. There are two functions when you press the button, that is pressing the button and releasing the button. Okay, so OSR will pass the pulse when you press the button, not release the button. See, if you press the button, then this will pass the supply. Okay, so if you're not seeing this supply, you can use this L over here. You can see that it will hold on the supply. There is one more thing, that is OSF. You can see this is disabled over here. So OSF is a falling pulse. It passes only the negative pulse. Okay, so it will pass pulse when you release the button. Okay, so here I am changing it. So when you can get that it is holding the supply or not. Now you can see if you press this, it will hold on the supply. If you press this, it will see output gets on. So it is just passing a pulse and this is getting latched by this output. Okay, so there are many functions that are used for latching there are many functions that are used with the help that was done with the help of OSR only. Okay, so later on we will discuss that, because lots of instructions will come and where we have to use the OSR. Okay, so there we have to pass a very pulse for a very small time, or we can use some programming where we are using OSR and OSF. That pulse should be when you press the button, that time the pulse should pass, or when you release the button, that time pulse should pass. So this is how OSR works. For right now, for today's tutorial, this much I will do. In next sessions we will explain some more with the help of the OSR. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep learning.
Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.